I wanted to do
Something big for my mouth.
Look at this. You're going to love this. You're going to love this. You're going to love this. Can you tear it?
Trying to put it in his mouth.
I can eat it.
Good job, baby. Good job. Oh, my goodness.
Holy, there's your computer.
You can be like Grandpa.
There's you a real life computer like everybody else. Say the paper's really more fun. There's you a laptop.
You can be a real E-Trade baby now.
Oh, he's sitting up there. Running in the diaper bag of the spit. In the diaper bag.